I'm doing this video this night to be sure of the silicone that I've done. If there is some hole, I'll see it clearly. So I'm done with the silicone. Wherever there is space, it has been covered. It has been covered. We are done with the foam silicone, and then the rubber silicone. It's two different types of silicone. Yeah, it's two different types of silicone. So I'm done with it. I'm doing this video in the night to be sure of the silicone. If there is some hole, I will see it clearly. Yeah, I will see it clearly, so that I could see it clearly. Yeah, done with the silicone. Yeah.